What's up, members? Let's focus on BBAI stock holdings, currently trading at $4.18. Now, before we get into these earnings, let's break down what BBAI is. BBAI is a high volatility AI and defense swing trade centered on government contracts, generative AI momentum, and retail trader sentiment. The bullish thesis is transitioning from a speculative AI company into a more credible defense-focused AI platform after reducing its debt, expanding margins, and integrating its Sage acquisition. Looking at the revenue here on 2025, growth year over year is negative 19.32%. That is obviously in a downtrend from its previous years of 2022, 2023, and 2024. Also, the gross profit has decreased to negative 37%. These are making retail investors question, should I invest in this long term? Let me know in the comment section below what you think as well. Operating expenses are nice, finally evening out at 16% increase here. Operating income is decreasing to 31% negative as well. When you look at BBAI stock, it has a ton of struggles. It is not a company that, is like Google or Microsoft that has its finances in order. It is something that you must be aware of if you are going to be investing in BBAI. Let's take a look at the technicals. BBAI stock cannot get over $4.50 to save its life. As you can see, it has continuously rejected these points right here, and now right here. What it is doing, it's sold all the way down to $3 per share. It needs to get above $4.50 for me to take this trade seriously. If we can get a trade above $450, that bid will help boost bullish confidence in retail traders to actually buy this stock. Right now, it is a fallen knife. It is continuously selling off. It is rejecting $4.50. Now, the positives. If you look at the positives, we are on an uptrend. Now, if you draw it out right here, as long as we hold this level right here, as we continuously bounce off of this support level, which you can see clearly, BBAI bouncing off of 310, bouncing off of 3.6, bouncing off of 3.8, and now bouncing off of $4. We need to hold $4 per share. BBAI must break through $4.50 for retail investors to feel some confidence. Otherwise, what's going to happen is we have this nice here, and then we just start selling off. So that is something to pay attention to. We have CPI this week. Let's see how it reacts. Let me know what your thoughts are on BBAI. Are you going to be trading this stock?